Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable insights and expert advice to make your travel experiences even more unforgettable. Today, we're diving into essential travel tips that will help you navigate your way through every adventure and ensure a stress-free journey. So, grab a pen and paper, fellow wanderers, and let's get started. We know that planning a trip can be overwhelming. But fear not, we've got you covered with these must-know travel tips that will transform your adventures into smooth sailing experiences. Our first tip is all about packing smart. Before you start tossing everything into your suitcase, take a moment to plan your outfits and prioritize lightweight, versatile clothing. Next up, let's talk about the importance of research. Knowledge is power when it comes to traveling. Research your destination thoroughly to understand local customs, traditions, and any cultural sensitivities. This will not only help you blend in seamlessly but also ensure that you have the best possible experience while respecting the local culture. This will not only help you blend in seamlessly but also ensure that you have the best possible experience while respecting the local culture. Now, let's discuss budgeting. It's essential to set a realistic budget for your trip and stick to it. Research local prices, currency exchange rates, and plan your activities accordingly. Remember, it's always better to have a little extra money for unexpected expenses or spontaneous adventures. Next on our list is the power of technology. Take advantage of travel apps and websites to make your journey smoother. From booking flights and accommodations to finding the best local restaurants and attractions. These digital tools are a game changer for any traveler. Traveling is always exciting, whether you're exploring a new city or trekking through the wilderness. However, it can also be stressful, especially if you're not prepared. Fortunately, with a little planning and organization, you can enjoy a stress-free adventure. Here are some essential travel tips to help you make the most of your trip. 1. Plan ahead. The first step to a stress-free adventure is to plan ahead. Decide where you want to go, when you want to travel, and what activities you want to do. Research your destination to find the best deals on flights, hotels, and activities. Make a list of all the things you need to do before you leave, such as obtaining visas, vaccinations, or travel insurance. 2. Pack smart. Packing is an essential part of any trip, and it's important to pack smart. Make a list of all the items you need to bring, and then check it twice. Pack light, and only bring what you need. Don't forget to pack a first aid kit, a portable charger, and any medications you may need. Consider purchasing a travel adapter if you're traveling internationally. 3. Stay organized. Staying organized is key to a stress-free adventure. Keep all your travel documents, such as your passport and boarding pass, in one place. Consider using a travel organizer to keep everything organized. Make sure you have all the necessary information, such as the address of your hotel and the phone number of your airline. 4. Be flexible. Travel plans can change at a moment's notice, so it's important to be flexible. Be prepared for delays, cancellations, or changes to your itinerary. Have a backup plan in case things don't go as planned. If you're traveling with others, be flexible and considerate of their needs as well. Traveling can be a fun and exciting adventure, but it can also be stressful. By planning ahead, packing smart, staying organized, being flexible, and staying safe, you can enjoy a stress-free adventure. So go ahead and explore the world with confidence and peace of mind. Last but not least, our final tip is all about safety. Safety. It's crucial to prioritize your well-being during your travels. Ensure you have travel insurance, keep copies of important documents, and be aware of your surroundings. Trust your instincts and always take precautions to stay safe throughout your adventures. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. These essential travel tips will help you embark on stress-free and memorable journeys. Remember, preparation, research, and a positive mindset are key to making the most of your travel experiences. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel insights and inspiration. That's all for today's video, Wanderers. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery, and until next time, happy travels. And may your adventures be filled with incredible moments and lifelong memories.